Hi, hello, namaskara. Happy to see you again. Welcome to Learn Kannada Conversations through English. It's part 3. You already know there are 49 alphabets in Kannada. 15 of them are called swara, that is vowels, and you learned them in part 1. And in part 2, you learned 10 of the 34 consonants, Vyanjanagalu. And now in part 3, you learn 10 more of consonants. Let's move on. So the next 10 consonants are highlighted here, the row 3 and 4. Let's see row 3. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. The row 4. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Let's repeat. You can repeat when I say row 3. Ta,
ta,
tha,
tha,
da,
da,
dha,
dha,
na.
na,
Ta,
tha,
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 da,
da,
dha,
dha,
na.
na.
Probably you need to be more careful with the last one in the row 3, that is na.
Na,
You may touch your tongue to the top portion of your mouth and say na.
na,
And the last one in the row 4 is na. Maybe you are touching your upper teeth.
na.
Yeah. Try to practice na and na. Let's form some sentences and practice them. The first one is ta. Ta is used in nata. Means you want to say I am an actor, you will say Nanu obba nata.
Nanu obba nata.
Nata is an actor in which you can see that ta used there, and Nanu means I am. Obba means an, means one, and actor nata. Nanu obba nata.
Nanu obba nata.
And you want to say for actress, you can say nati.
Nati.
Nanu obba nati.
Nanu obba nati.
Yeah. Moving on, the next one is tha. Tha is used in Thane. Arakshaka Thane means police station. So you want to say this is a police station. You will say idu Arakshaka Thane.
Arakshaka Thane.
And then the other one is da. This alphabet is used in Madu. Madu means do it. So you want to say do the work. You will say Kelasa Madu.
Kelasa madu.
Yeah. Then the next one is dha. This is used in mudha. Mudha means fool. You want to call somebody as a fool. He's a fool. You will say avanu obba mudha.
Avanu obba mudha.
Yeah. And then the final one here is na. Hana. Hana means money. So you want to say take the money. You will say hana tago.
Hana tago.
Tago means take it. Okay. You want to ask for money. You say hana kodu.
Hana kodu.
Yeah, so hana is also called duddu, so you can say duddu tago or duddu kodu.
Duddu tago or duddu kodu.
Yeah, so there the na is used in hana. Hana means money. The next 5 consonants are tha, tha, da, dha, and na. So the first character ta is used in tata. Tata means grandfather. When you want to say he is my grandfather, you will say ivaru nanna tata.
Ivaru nanna tata.
The next alphabet is dha. It is used in kathe. Avala kate helu means it is tell me her story. Avala kate helu.
Avala kate helu.
Yeah. Moving on, it is the ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ means what is there in it. So there you can see the alphabet is used. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ
means what is in it. Okay. And the next alphabet is dha. It is used in andha. Andha means blind. He is blind. When you want to say he is blind, you can say avanu andha.
ಅವನು ಅಂಧ.
Yeah. And then the final one here is na. Avana hesaru enu.
ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
means what is his name. Avana hesaru enu.
ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
If you want to say what is her name, you can say avala hesaru enu.
ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Yeah, so here you want to know his name, so you will say avana hesaru enu. And in case you want to give respect and ask somebody's name, you can say avara hesaru enu.
ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Avara means you can refer to both male and female, but that is with respect. Elderly people, you can say avara hesaru enu.
ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Congratulations! You learned 10 more consonants in Kannada and formation of simple words and sentences, and you learned the pronunciation. You can proudly say Nanage Kannada Barutte. Thank you.